Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be making a video concerning mouth odor. So if you have mouth odor, whether it's something very strong or not, fall in here. So these are the things we are going to be needing. This is what I'm going to be explaining later. This is my brush. This is my toothpaste. So you can use any toothpaste of your choice depending on what you want. And this is citron. This is citron green, and this is my glass, which I'm going to be using to rinse my mouth after the whole cleaning of my mouth and my teeth. So this you can practically get in the citron. You can practically get this from any shop you want. You can get the fresh, you can get this one that is already bio. This is from Biotic Shop, so it is called bio. So guys, this toothbrush that I'm using on this video, if you are worried about my voice, is because I feel very sick. I've been on sick leave for the past 1 week. So do not be offended with my voice. I have catarrh, cough, fever, and all that. But I still need to do this video. You see this particular brush that I'm using on this video, I bought it from Nigeria. I grew up using a very strong brush. But one of the things that I've not been able to find here in German shops here in Germany is this strong brush. So whenever I travel or when I see somebody coming, I buy a lot of them. So that is what we use at home. So guys, as you can see, this is called toothbrush. So we are going to only use it to clean our teeth, to brush our teeth. So you can see that I am brushing up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And I am not going so hard on it, and I'm avoiding my the flesh inside my tongue, inside my mouth. I'm also avoiding my tongue. So I am cleaning inside of my teeth, between, you know, when you have that places in your teeth where the food, between your teeth where you chew the food. So I am going to clean it. This is the way I brush. And guys, please, gently. This brush that I'm using is Nigerian brush. It is very, very hard, so I'm always very careful. So I am going into the teeth and the other side of the teeth, not where we normally don't see, you know. I am also going to brush there carefully, avoiding my gums, avoiding the flesh. And you can see I am doing the same thing the other part of my teeth, the up and the down. And you can see the way I am practically brushing my teeth up and down. You don't need to do more than this. You don't need to brush the other way, like brushing straight. Going up and down is the best way to brush your teeth. When you go the other way, you are practically going to have bleeding in your mouth at the end of it, because you are going to injure your gums, or you are going to injure any part of the skin inside your mouth. So I am through with my teeth. Yes, I have finished brushing my teeth, and this is what this brush is meant for, is to brush your teeth. I am going to just rinse out my brush, and then I will rinse out my teeth a bit. I'm not going to clean the whole mouth, clean the whole teeth, because I am not done. So my teeth is clean and ready, is good. But guys, look at my tongue. Look at how dirty it is. This is just a day. And guys, this is a tongue cleaner. Your brush is not for your tongue. Do not use, if you have mouth odor, if you are having mouth odor, it might even be the fact that you use brush to clean your tongue, you injure yourself, you bleed a lot, and the bleeding does never ever heal, because the next day you are doing the same thing, the same way, the same day, the same thing every day. So your tongue is always with wound. Guys, look at what came out of my tongue. This is the first batch. Okay, this is what came out of my tongue. One of the places that the part of food, this huge part of your food is going to store, is on your tongue. And if you don't clean them properly, don't use brush. Guys, do not use brush to brush. You can see the amount of things that are coming out. These are rest from food, from drinks, all the things that I went into my mouth the whole day and night. This is it. Okay, so guys, what I am doing here is gently using this plastic tongue cleaner too. So I go the other way, I go this way, I go left and right, and from down to up, from up to down, to make sure I get all the things out of my tongue. So I tried doing this, it wasn't working, it was not doing anything, it was not giving. So I turned the way I normally do. So this particular tongue cleaner, you can find them in the section where brushes are sold. You can buy them in Amazon, you can buy them in DM. If you are in other parts of the world, I'm not sure if you are able to just find it in every other supermarket, but I bought this from DM if you live in Germany. But you can find it in Amazon, you can find it on the website, you can find them on AliExpress. They are super cheap. They are cheaper than the brushes. They are cheap, and they are just plastic. Okay, they are not sharp. They are not painful when you use them. You can see that I am not bleeding. My tongue is not bleeding. It's just doing all the cleaning. You clean as much as you want. Gently. Do not go so hard on the tongue, because the tongue is a very sensitive place. If you go very hard, you might injure yourself, even though this tongue cleaner is just plastic and it's not sharp. It's not sharp, it is fine. It is so clean that when you go with your hand on it, it's so very smooth. So you don't need to bother if this is going to give you injury inside your mouth. So guys, I do this as much as I want. And some people will be asking you, how do you know if your tongue is clean? The first and second or the third ones they are going to be doing, they are going to be creamy and colored. It's going to be like a cream color. They are going to be taken out of your tongue. But at the end, when your tongue is very clean, you will discover that whatever that came out of your mouth is pure white. Came out of your tongue, is pure white. This is to know that your tongue is now clean. Your tongue is not supposed to be 100% like flesh, because obviously there are still things there, and those flesh on your tongue can never ever be like the other skin. So this is my tongue at the end of the day. I am rinsing my mouth, the first rinsing of my mouth. I want to get all the toothpaste out. I want to get all the toothpaste. I want to get my tongue very clean, all the mucus, things coming from my throat and all that. So guys, at the end of it, this is the magic. If you are suffering from mouth odor, guys, stop using mouthwash, this colorful mouthwash. Maybe in my next video I will show you. So this is warm water with this citron. This citron, you can use, it is called lime, okay? Use warm water, add citron inside of it, and use it to gargle as much as possible. Okay, guys, if you cannot find this is very easy for me, because it is easy to store in the fridge. I don't want to have lemons all over the place. I can also make shots and fill in this later, but this is what I bought. I found it in a biological store. So if you are able to get one, it is very good. It's very good. So guys, do not use lemon, use lime. Do not use the yellow one, use this green one, and don't add a lot of it, just a bit, because it's something that you use it every day, so you don't have to pile up and then you're not able to use it, or it's not going to make you not be able to chew. So just a bit, 1 or 2 drops is enough. So you can practically use the same water to clean your teeth, clean your mouth, clean your lips and all that, and gargle as much, go inside your throat. You can swallow this if you want, because you have already cleaned your mouth properly. So this is it. I am through. I am done. My mouth is clean. I'm feeling, when you breathe in and see your mouth, you see, that is my tongue, super clean. My teeth is super clean. My mouth is properly rinsed. There is no food. There is no odor. There is no smell. This is it, guys. And this is how you can, if you are suffering from any kind of mouth odor, you can daily. And at the end, if you like, you can just throw in your bitter cola into your mouth, in the night. If you are doing this at night, you can throw in bitter cola, or you can throw in bitter cola. Guys, like I said, I have catarrh and cough, so that is the reason why I'm just spitting and spitting and spitting. So this is my tongue. All the things are gone, and my mouth